Congenital diaphragmatic hernia is herniation of the bowel loops into the chest cavity or thoracic cavity through a defect in the diaphragm. Now, this congenital diaphragmatic hernia is of two types. It can be either Bochdalek or it can be Morgagni type. Now, we often confuse between these two variants. To help you remember these two types of hernia, I have two words for you. One is BPL, which simply means below poverty level in India. Now, BPL should remind you that Bochdalek's hernia is posterior and on the left side. As you can see over here, the defect is posteriorly and on the left side. It is the left side of the patient and this is the right side of the patient. On the other hand, if we talk about Morgagni hernia, I remember something known as MRA. MRA is, in simple terms, magnetic resonance angiography or MR angiography. From this, you can remember that Morgagni hernia occurs on the right side and it occurs on the anteriorly, as you can see over here. Also, the B over here should remind you that Bochdalek type of hernia is occurring in babies, which is usually the case because it's a congenital diaphragmatic hernia. However, in case of Morgagni hernia, the A should remind you that it can rarely seen in adults also. So the buzzwords that you have to remember are MRA and BPL. I hope after watching this video, you will never ever confuse between Bochdalek and Morgagni type of congenital diaphragmatic hernia.